If in a quadratic equation, out of three components A, B or C, if any one of the component is missing and some certain condition is given, either the condition of you can say equal roots, no real roots or something else. So how to solve, how to strike on such problems? Suppose x square minus 5x plus k is equals to 0 is the quadratic equation. For what value of k, this does not has any real root. Find k for no real root. Find k for no real roots. What we can do? We will compare it with the standard form. We will get a is 1, b is minus 5 and c is k. After finding it, the discriminant will be calculated, because discriminant is the value which decide the nature of roots. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 5 square minus 4 into 1 into k. That is 25 minus 4k. Now you have to remember three conditions while you are solving the problems. The condition number 1 we call for equal roots. What is the another name of the equal roots? Equation to be perfect square. Equation to be perfect square. Condition is that discriminant has to be equal to 0. Second, for real roots. For real roots, what should be there? D is greater than or equal to 0. Third is for no real roots. For no real root, you must remember D is less than 0. There is one more condition. That is the fourth one. For real and distinct roots. The roots are real and distinct. For real and distinct, or you can call it unequal. For real and distinct, D is greater than 0. These two are separate. Here D is greater than or equal to 0 considers the real roots. Real roots are in two situations: real and equal, real and unequal. Real and equal, D is equal to 0. Real and unequal, D is greater than 0. But only real, D is greater than or equal to 0. Here we will take this discriminant, we will connect this discriminant with the third condition. Reason? Because for what value of k this quadratic equation has no real roots. It means that the discriminant of this quadratic equation must be less than 0 for satisfying the condition of the no real roots. So discriminant of this question is 25 minus 4k. For no real root, for no real roots, D is less than 0, that is 25 minus 4k is less than 0, 25 is less than 4k, so 25 upon 4 is less than k, or you can write k is greater than 25 upon 4. So this is the answer of this question. Similarly, question in any problem, maybe C missing, maybe B missing, maybe value of A is missing, and can ask the question under various conditions. Similarly, in this case, if second question is also asked, for what value of k it has equal roots, in this situation we will put discriminant is 0 and answer will come k is equals to 25 upon 4. Suppose the question comes like this, that find the value of the k so that it has the real roots. So similarly, the condition of real roots, D is greater than equal to 0 will be implemented. So it is very much possible in any question to find the missing term, might be A, B or C in quadratic equation, but it is only possible if you are quite comfortable with knowing the conditions, with knowing the discriminant and how to calculate the values of ABC. First calculate ABC, then calculate discriminant, and according to demand of question, you can apply one of the four condition. Whenever it is written that equation is perfect square, its meaning is equal roots. Whenever written for the real roots, we have to take both the signs, discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. When for no real roots, d is less than 0. For real and distinct, that is real and unequal, d is greater than 0, as one of the example we have given you here. And the last thing for this chapter, that is unlimited number of word problems is left, that we will also discuss with you.